Syed Sohail, on behalf of me, Harvey the Silver Fox, Marty Bostic, and your sponsor, Simon Faulkner, plus the entire Amplify AI workshop community, I would like to welcome you to our Amplify AI workshop family. Okay, Syed, let's get busy producing your custom AI talking video just for you. There will be a total of 7 scenes, this being the first scene. The length of the video will be about 6 to 7 minutes. Now I'm going to program one of our several AI avatar characters to take over, explaining what you will learn in our AI workshop in the next scene. Wait for it, here it comes.
Welcome, Syed. I'm Alicia, and I'll be your AI guide for the next few minutes. Harvey asked me to take over and explain what you will be learning in the Amplify AI workshop community. Syed, here's what you will learn in our free, live AI training workshop classroom. How to produce custom talking videos for yourself, friends, family, or business associates that you can sell for profit. How to make AI work for any business or any of your money-making opportunities. How to request free welcome videos for your new members you recruit. How to get a discount Amplify AI workshop subscription. How to get a free HeyGen AI video production account. How to earn money, referring others to our AI workshop. How to use AI for all your investment decisions. How to build real applications using vibe coding. How to check and contact your downline. What is the best text-to-speech software? AI YouTube tutorials and resources. How to boost your AI prompting. How to get free advertising. How to get free AI tools. How to spot AI scams, AI tips and tricks, and more. Okay. Now back to Harvey.
Thank you, Alicia, for letting us know what Syed and our members will learn in our AI workshop. For those who are camera shy and do not want their image or voice in these AI talking videos, Alicia is just one of several ready-to-use lifelike avatars you can choose from the library of avatars. I will show you where to find that library in the live workshop hangout when you join. As a Plus member, you will be able to access the Advanced AI Talking Video Production course, where you will learn how to produce custom AI videos for birthday, thank you, motivational, love, friendship, seasonal, weddings, baby, expressions, inspirational, business promotional, testimonial, review videos, and more, using these lifelike avatars and their related voices. Now, for those of you who are watching this video outside of our Amplify AI workshop community and want to learn more about how AI may work for you, plus have me produce a custom AI talking video for you, click on the referral link in the description of this video and join for free. I'll be waiting for you inside, ready to produce a free custom AI-generated video just for you. Syed, in the previous scene, I offered the viewer a chance to join Amplify AI Workshop as a free member using the referral link found in the description of this video. Syed, this referral link is your sponsor, Simon Faulkner's, not yours. When they use Simon Faulkner's referral link to join, they will be registered to Simon, not you. This is one of the several benefits Simon receives for being an Amplify AI Workshop Plus member. I will actually be doing the marketing for Simon, placing their referral link in this video, allowing them the opportunity to earn a 40% monthly residual commissions when their new referral upgrades to a Plus member. I will also do the same for you as a Plus member. When you become an AI Plus member and you refer a new free member, I will produce a welcome video for that new member, programming your referral link in the video. When the video is ready, your new video will be placed in our YouTube channel, plus other social networking sites we own. You could potentially have hundreds or thousands of your referral links scattered throughout the internet in the months to come. Okay? Syed, if you want to watch me produce these welcome videos, for you, this is what you need to do. Log into your account each morning. At the top of your dashboard, you will see the tab Calendar. Click on Calendar, then check the date and time to see when and if the live workshop hangout is open. Join the live hangout. Announce yourself and ask if any of your new free members are ready to have their custom AI talking welcome videos produced. I or the moderator on duty will check. If any are ready, you can watch me produce the video live in our Hangout for your new member. As you watch, you will see how easy it is to produce AI-generated custom talking videos, so you can do the same in the days and weeks to come for yourself, friends, family, and business associates. Also, in the live Hangout, you will have access to the following: free welcome video new members, free HeyGen AI video production sign up, discount Amplify AI workshop subscription, joining advertising co-op, free AI tools, free advertising, and checking and contacting your downline. Syed, just to clarify, at this time, you being a free member, when you promote your referral link and a new member joins, then upgrades, you will earn 40% commissions. It costs you nothing to earn those commissions other than the time and effort of you promoting your referral link. And what's great, I will be doing the selling for you inside our Amplify AI workshop community. However, because you are not an upgraded member or belong to the advertising co-op, at this time, your sponsor, Simon Faulkner's referral link will be placed in this video. Just one of several benefits of being an upgraded and/or advertising co-op member, so I suggest you upgrade and/or join the advertising co-op ASAP, so I can place your Amplify AI workshop referral link in one of those future free members' videos when they join. Okay, Ed, you know what to do. I'll be waiting for you inside, ready to help build your Amplify AI workshop business. Harvey out.